Hi guys. Today is Wednesday and I've closed my trade. So I've closed my trade one day before my expiry date, and it's because I've almost got the target I expected. Actually, when I was trying to sell, I closed my position. Not sell, close my position. It was almost around 2,200 profit, but when I closed my position, like at market price, it got sold at this price. So I was not able to get 2,000, but this is my profit in the end. And almost my maximum profit was 2,500. So once it reached 2,100 rupees, why not close the position, because another 200 rupees. So you have made almost how much you wanted to make. So there's no point in holding it for another expiry date, because any volatility issue can happen and we can go on a losing trade, right? So that's why I tried to close my position at 2,100 profit, but all the orders got executed at market price. At what the next it at the next money that it was ready to sell or ready to buy back. I'm sorry, not sell, right, buy back. So that's why I was able to only make 1,800. So almost 1,900 was this week's profit. So this is week one, and the strategy that I used here, I have explained in my video at this place. So I have explained all the why I took this trade over this trade, and this is the same trade, but it was my day two, and basically this is my day three profit. So this is my day three profit, and it was just simple call selling. So I've sold these two calls and these two calls. So there was a range on which I was able to make a profit. So this was the profit area, and this was 19,000, and this was 19,700. So since we are in a very bullish market, I wanted to keep my lane long also, and also the risk is less and the probability of winning the trade is high. So that's why I kept a big range, and anyway I always keep the trade for 1 week only. So that's why I take a big range, and I close and I hold my position to a maximum of 7 days only. So that is from one Thursday to next Thursday. So that's my trading strategy, and I have only started learning option selling, and I have been doing a lot of testing on options over my strategy. So basically, I'm learning so many option strategies. So let's see how my trade goes on for now, and then let's see what we can expect tomorrow, and I'll come back with another video. So do like and subscribe so that you'll able to see what I'm learning and executing in option selling, so that you can also learn about option selling and the positive sides of option selling. So thank you and have a great day.